Any plans to settle down in Pakistan?
I've settled down in Pakistan. I live here. Exhibition which is on the river Indus at Sakkar. The river Indus is more than just, this exhibition is bringing light to the fact that the Indus River is more than just an exploitable resource. It's a living, breathing thing and something we need to take care of. And it's about the spirituality of the site of Sakkar and Rohri, as well as the many, many intersections of the state, colonialism, religiousness and history. Aapki badi meharbani.